Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really handy trick in Power BI, how to highlight specific points on your charts dynamically using x-axis constant lines. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your reports instantly more interactive and visually clear, without having to write any tricky formulas or DAX measures. Whether you're prepping dashboards for your team or simply want to direct attention to important months in your sales data, this is a pro-level move that's become super easy in 2025. So let's jump right into it. First things first, you need to set up your data. Imagine you've got simple sales numbers for each month, like January to July of 2025, with each month paired up with sales values. Now here's a crucial tip. Make sure that the month column in your data is formatted as a date type, not just as text, not as numbers, but as actual dates in Power BI. Why does this matter? Well, Power BI's visual engine treats dates differently. It allows you to use time intelligence features, and in this case, the x-axis constant line depends on those dates being recognized properly. If you're unsure, just hop over to the data view, click the month column, and set its data type to date. Take a moment here. This tiny detail is what unlocks everything we're about to do. Now, with your data set up, the next step is to insert a line chart. In Power BI, you'll find the line chart visual on the right panel. Just click to add it to your report canvas. In the Fields panel, drag month to the x-axis. Then drag sales to the y-axis. This gives us a clear chronological trend of sales across each month. Line charts are great for emphasizing progress over time. They let your audience see at a glance any rises, falls, or patterns in sales. If you notice your x-axis looks off, maybe the months aren't showing as dates, double-check that month column formatting again. Now for the magic part, let's add the x-axis constant line. This new feature in Power BI makes highlighting a specific month on your chart incredibly simple. Start by clicking your line chart to select it. Then, look to the Analytics pane. It usually pops up just above your visualizations. Find the option for x-axis constant line and click plus add. You'll see a prompt to enter a value. This is where you select the exact date you want to highlight. For example, maybe you want to spotlight April 2025, so select 2025-0401 from the date picker. Instantly, you'll see a line appear across your chart at April's position. For clarity and style, let's customize this line. Make the line color red so it really stands out, change the line style to dashed for visibility, and turn on the data label so everyone knows exactly which date is highlighted. These customizations aren't just for looks, they help your viewers immediately spot the key month without having to hunt across the chart. What makes this even better is that in the latest version of Power BI, this feature works right out of the box. No need for DAX formulas or custom measures. The x-axis constant line responds directly to your selected date. And here, where things get dynamic, if you want to highlight a different month, just change the date in the constant lines property. Instantly, the line jumps to the new month. This is incredibly useful if you're presenting to a group and want to focus on different periods on the fly, or if you want to let viewers explore the chart interactively. And that's it. You've just learned how to dynamically highlight your line charts by month with just a few clicks. It really is as simple as it sounds, but the impact on how clearly your data story comes across is huge. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and drop any questions or experiences in the comments. I always love hearing how you use these features in your own projects. And if you want more practical Power BI tips like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.